My name is Dilipar, second year MBA from SVC. My topic is activity based costing. Activity based costing. Activity based costing ABC is a costing method that allocates indirect costs to products or services based on the activities they require. It identifies and assigns cost to various activities in an organization, providing a more accurate picture of the true cost of production. This contrasts with traditional costing methods that may distribute overhead costs using a single cost driver, often leading to distorted cost allocation. Features of activity based costing. Activity identification. ABC costing involves identifying various activities within an organization that contribute to the production or delivery of goods and services. Cost pool creation. Costs are grouped into different cost pools based on the identified activities. This helps in organizing and allocating expenses more accurately. Resource drivers. ABC uses multiple cost drivers to assign costs to activities. Drivers can be related to the consumption of resources, providing a more granular and precise cost distribution. Activity drivers. After identifying activities, ABC uses specific activity drivers to allocate cost to products or services based on their actual usage in each activity. Accurate cost allocation. ABC aims to provide a more accurate reflection of the actual cost incurred by each product or service by considering the specific activities and resources involved. Enhanced decision making. With a more precise understanding of cost, organizations can make better informed decisions about pricing, product mix, and resource allocation. Complexity handling. ABC is particularly useful in industries with diverse products or services and complex production process as it accumulates a detailed analysis of various activities and their associated costs. Cost transparency. ABC improves transparency by revealing the true costs associated with each activity, helping management make more informed strategic decisions. How ABC is useful in strategic cost management. Activity based costing plays a crucial role in strategic cost management by providing a more accurate and detailed understand costs within an organization. ABC enhances strategic cost management by offering detailed and accurate picture of costs, enabling organizations to make informed decisions, improve efficiency, and maintain a competitive edge in the market. Identifying activities starts by identifying all activities within an organization that to the production or delivery of a product or service. Assigning costs to activities. Costs are then assigned to each activity, including both direct and indirect costs. Determining cost drivers. Cost drivers are factors that cause costs of activities. Identifying this helps in allocating costs more accurately. Linking costs to product services. Costs are linked to products or services based on the actual consumption of activities by each product or service. Benefits of ABC. Provide more accurate product or service costs. Enables better decision making by identifying cost drivers. Highlights areas for processing improvement. Helps in understanding the true profitability of products or services. Challenges of ABC. Requires detailed data collection, which can be time consuming and expensive. May face resistance from traditional costing system. Conclusion. In conclusion, activity based costing is a valuable costing methodology that goes beyond traditional costing methods. By identifying, categorizing, and allocating costs based on specific activities and their drivers, ABC provides organizations with a more accurate understanding of their cost structures. This enhanced transparency facilitates informed decision making, better resource allocation, and improved control over costs. While the implementation of ABC may be resource intensive, its benefits in terms of cost management, profitability analysis, and strategic decision support make it a powerful tool for organizations seeking a more and precise approach to cost accounting. Thank you.